Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 4 months old. Ilya was born 1 month premature, so he's more like a 3-month-old. And Ilya has developed a preference to turn his head to the right and shorten his head to the right. And one of the things you want to look for these babies is tightness in their trunks and hips and arms. And you want to be able to assess what's tight, and then try to address those issues. So one of the things you do is you look at how much the trunk turns. So I'm going to turn him off to his right. So I've got one hand in front, one hand in back, and I'm turning him to see how far he goes off to the right. Looks like I can almost get his left shoulder here in the front. Then I'm going to try turning him off to the left to see how far he goes. And this is looking actually pretty similar on both sides. Over here and over there. If you found a difference between the sides, right here. Oh, it does look like now he's starting to go a little further this way. There would be 2 schools of thought of how to improve that. So we're going to say he has more trouble turning toward his right. So one school of thought is to take him to the right and hold it. All right. And hold it. And as he allows, just take him a little bit further. The other school of thought is to take him to the easy side. Oh, wow, that's a lot easier. Take him to the easy side and hold it there. And that allows the other side to relax for you to go that direction. Again, a different school of thought on it. You'd hold that 30 seconds, a minute or so. And after holding that side, recheck the tight side. So let's go back this way. Try to keep. What I noticed is his legs wanted to spin with me. You want to try to keep his legs straight forward as you spin him. About the same. Definitely easier going to the left than to the right. So he'd need more work on this than I have time in this video, but I hope this is something you can check with your baby and have 2 schools of thought to see which one works better for your child on how to address that asymmetry in the trunk. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.